Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the spacing on WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so here we have a starter site that I've prepared, and you can see that our menu is really scrunched up to the point where it's automatically gone to more with the drop down, and we have so much negative space or margins on the side. How do we fix this? Let's go ahead and click on Customize and fix our spacing from there. Okay, first things first, the easiest thing to do is to click on General and click on Layout. And then from here, we have our maximum site width, and then we can make it as wide as we want and as narrow as we want. Okay, and you can see the changes take effect, and we can just adjust it according to how we want. We don't want it to be too wide either. And let's keep hitting refresh because we have, okay, there, our menu has sorted itself out. And now we can fine tune this to however we want. And again, these are settings based on pixels and VW, which is relative to what we've selected. And let's say you were customizing a mobile site, we can select this to mobile, and we can change our edge spacing depending on how much we need. And if we go back to desktop, you can see that these values are completely different. So whatever works for you and whatever works for the devices that you're using or hope to have your users see, you can adjust it based on that. And that's what we call responsiveness. Now, what if none of these worked? All right. One other thing we can go ahead and check is, well, two things. One is under posts and the other is under pages, but these are basically the same. So single post, you can see here we have our post structure, and on pages, since we have our page here, we have narrow width, we have left sidebar, right sidebar, and normal width. If I were to select narrow width, now automatically, well, our header stays the same, but our content becomes narrow width. We can also change it to boxed, but that's a separate one. Let's put it to box just so we can illustrate it. And let's go back to General, Layout, and then we have Narrow Container. Now, if none of these worked, and it was already narrow by default, we can select it to be narrower or wider as we pleased. Now let's, oops, not that. Let's go back and go back to pages and deselect narrow width and go with normal width. And let's put it back to wide. And I think I'm happy with that spacing, so let's go ahead and click on publish. And let's go ahead and check out the changes on our website itself. Okay, here we can see where it's super squished. Let's go ahead and reload our site. And you can see we fixed the spacing on our WordPress Blocksy website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.